Hello everyone and welcome to lesson number 35. In this lesson, we're going to learn the verb type 1. There is 6 types of Finnish verbs and type 1 is the most common among them. Verbs belonging to this type have an infinitive that ends in 2 vowels. To find this type of verb's infinitive stem, you remove the final a or a from the infinitive. After that, you can add the correct ending. Now, let's look at one example. Sanoa. Minä sanon.
I say.
Sinä sanot.
You say.
Hän sanoo.
He says. She says.
Me sanomme.
We say.
Te sanotte.
You say.
He sanovat.
They say.
Here are some other verbs of type 1. Now it's your turn. Try to conjugate the verb maksaa.
Minä maksan. Sinä maksat. Hän maksaa. Me maksamme. Te maksatte. He maksavat.
Kiitos! See you in the next lesson!